Well, we're going to begin Finance World today with the top lines that we're following at this hour. Indian Railways firming up a plan for infrastructure development with an ambitious target of pumping in more than 8 lakh crore rupees over the next 4 years. The massive investment plan would involve high-speed rail connectivity, station redevelopment and capacity augmentation across the country. Agreements with 13 countries for cooperation in the rail sector. Railways has already signed. India is ready to invest $20 billion in the development of Iran's Chabahar port. In return, seeks cheap natural gas and land to set up the units. Oil Minister Dharmendra Pradhan conveys to the Iranian side that Indian companies could invest in setting up petrochemical and fertilizer plants either through joint ventures between Indian and Iranian public sector companies. Continuing with their bullish stance on India for the second month, foreign investors had pumped in over 7,600 crore rupees into the country's capital market in April so far, buoyed by a rate cut by the Reserve Bank. Also, the recent hike by capital market regulators SEBI and FPI investment limit for government debt will further lead to more inflows. Macroeconomic data, IIP and inflation numbers will set the trend for the stock market in a holiday-shortened week ahead. That's according to experts. Moreover, investment trend by overseas investors, crude oil price and rupee would also influence trading. Market will remain shut on Thursday and on Friday. And let's get you more details on that story. Well, the next major trigger for the markets will be the fourth quarter earnings, which will start with IT major Infosys announcing its results on Friday. Now, macroeconomic data, IIP and inflation numbers will set the trend for the stock market in a holiday-shortened week. Moreover, investment trend by overseas investors, crude oil price and the rupee would influence trading. Market will remain shut on Thursday on account of Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti and on Friday for Ram Navami. On key macroeconomic announcements, industrial production data for February will come out on Tuesday, as well as the consumer price index data for March. Let's get you an update on the markets now. We're going to begin with the Asian pack and tell you how that's performing in morning trade. A mixed bag where the Asian markets are concerned. The Nikkei, Kospi and the Nifty down in trade, while the Straits Times marginally up by about 5 points. Those are the kind of cues we're getting, a mixed bag of cues coming in from the Asian markets. We'll talk about the Indian markets, that the Sensex and the Nifty. Those are the figures we have for Friday. As you can see, pretty flat trading where the Sensex and the Nifty were concerned on Friday. The Sensex was down by 11 points and the Nifty marginally up by 8 points. We'll see how the markets pan out today for you in trade. Remember, this is also a shortened week where the stock markets are concerned. For the rest of the news, it's back to Shreya and Nancy.